Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video I will show you how to run React program on our VS Code side by side. So we don't have to alt tab and see the things like we are changing again and again, saving and alt tab. This will save our time. Okay, we'll make it run in our browser on the side. Okay, so what we'll do, we are running this on localhost. I will first of all copy this localhost where I was running our React project, and now simply I will type this arrow and simple browser show. We'll just enter, and now I will paste the link and enter. Yeah, we got it. Now we'll simply drag it here like this, and we got easy, man. Just now we'll type like hello, we are good. Save, yeah, like it'll save our time of alt tab things and see again and again. Now we can easily make it run. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more.